uJesu khona, uJesu uyabaphekelwa, uJesu khona. Lesithenjo sikaJesu, uJesu ekhethe amaPeter, James, John, ukhona uJesu. Kodwa naye kwalukusandla wafa because ibandla lalingakabi mature. But guess what? Wafika futhi uSathane njengenjwayelo. But this time around, wafika ibandla nasencwadini yezenzo. Kuthiwa leliya bangasili ibandla lomdlalo. Kuleliya bandla babanjwa igebengu. Ezizontshontshwa umnikelo. Kuthiwa lowo wophelele. Ngoba abantu bamthandaza. Kodwa isangoma lo. Sibhoke i-3-piece. Basuka bamthandaza. Bamnambe bathi uyatshona loyo. Bathi uyathatha loyo. Ayikhobalelwa nawe. Because they were in the church of prayer. Ngoba abantu bomlilo lapha. Uthola sisukumi bandla. Before we go any further, we'd like to appreciate the apostle